everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Measurements are shown on the screen. So we are going to cut these two different color of paper. We all have these type of old paper bags at home, so let's make a beautiful flowers out of it. After cutting, we are going to make multiple cut like we're doing here. Now we are going to make the leaf as well. So you can take a green color of paper bag or you can take a crepe paper and cut the leaves. After doing all of this, we're going to roll it around this stick one after another, paste it using double-sided tape, and look, it's ready. Similar way, we're adding a sepal of the flower and then leaf as well. So roll it using roller tape and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers for the petal using this pink color of paper. Now we are going to curl the petals. You can take crepe paper in place of this. Now we are going to paste all the petals one after another, and look, rose flower is ready. Now you can also put some leaves on the green stick using floral tape, and look how pretty this rose flower is looking. We are going to roll this blue color of pipe cleaner on this pen. Now remove the pen and tie a knot on this pipe cleaner. After tying the knot, we are going to open the petals and twist all of them one after another like this. And look, it's ready. Now make 5 such petals and combine all of them together, and look, your flower is ready. Now we are also adding some leaves, and look, it's ready. You can make more such colorful flowers. Let's make these beautiful pipe cleaners flower stick. So after making the flower, we are going to roll this on the top of this green color of stick, and we're combining leaves and rolling them using this green color of floral tape. After some time, you have to put another flower and repeat the same process. You can put the leaves afterwards and roll it on the stick, and look, it's ready. You can also add and repeat the same process over and over again. After doing this, we're going to again put the leaf like this. Finally, we're going to twist all of them and adjust it, and look, your beautiful flower sticks are ready. Look at these beautiful rose flowers. Let's make it. So we are going to cut 8 cm long and 4 cm broad strip out of this red paper bag. We all have these type of bags at home, so let's make a beautiful flower out of it. After cutting, we are going to fold it and make more such pieces. Then we are going to combine all the flower petals one after another, paste it using hot glue gun and make a straight line like this. After this, we are going to put this green stick on one corner, paste it using hot glue gun and start rolling it like this. Roll it like we're doing here, and look, you will get this beautiful rose flower at the end after rolling. After this, we are going to adjust it. You can also put it around the bouquet, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please